Alrighty folks, now we thought we'd have time right here to do another fall table. One more for the books for 2020. And it's a doozy. It's gonna be Vermont Farmhouse for you folks right here on my take on Home and Garden. All right, folks. First, we started off with the 70-inch round white tablecloth in the damask style, of course. Then we're going over that with this wonderful lacy celery green. And one would think that almost looks like a spring color, but give us a chance. It's not spring anymore. Then we're going to use this elegant white charger that's corrugated on the edge. And our inspiration for this table today are these two sets of plates. One is the Royal Worcester Group. It's called Avon Scenes. That means the area of Avon over in England, and they're made in Staffordshire, England. Church steeple, classic English style. That's our dinner plate. Then for our salad plate, a country fruit collection by Julie Popple. If you've ever seen them, she's got some cute stuff. Okay, and we're gonna want to put them all the same. We'll put the berries on the right. Then of course, you know, I've got to do an arrangement for the table. I don't think I'm going to use a center medallion on this one. And we have this glorious lace top farmhouse picture that I'm using for the floral arrangement. As usual, we want to get that background. I'm keying off this salad plate for my colors. We've got blackberries, and I want to get that element in here as well. Now I just got to have some of these Scottish thistles in the fall. Here's a different thistle, and I think we'd see this color mum still, certainly. And we're gonna get that to stand up better here in a minute. You know I like these crab apples. They just hold the color of the season. Here's some bittersweet, and this is going to start changing up our look. Now something nobody can deny what they have in New England, up there in Vermont, God's country, they have maple trees. So we're going to get that in here as well. We're going to have a couple of iris that'll push that over. And we're just going to skirt that a little bit with those leaves. We don't want to bomb it out with orange, but there's no denying those maple leaves for that region. Okay, slightly minimalist because it's a farmhouse. We're going to have some ancillary pieces like our cheese plate, our bread and cracker plate. We're going to have some fruit in the cute maple dish, and every time you put something in it you can't see the shape of the thing. We're going to go with these candied pumpkins. We have our teapot and a farmhouse creamer. Now we have our wonderful Westmoreland pieces. Got to include them, from the 50s. The male is marked inside at 1953. Something else I'm nuts about is this incredible English colonial style picture. The show stealer right there. Here's salt and peppers. They're made out of maple syrup bottles that we actually use. Here's our little eclectic creamer. Now we're gonna need some cinnamon sticks, and we've got our coffee. We've got our ginger wafers and our Pittsburgh pickles. We have our little salt, maple leaf salt. Okay, we might be in the country, but there's no flies on these people. We're having some wine, and we're going to put that to the top of the plate. Now, I don't normally like to do it to you and mention what we're going to have, just to tease you. We're having a cordial. And it's a apple brandy. Now we're going to use 100% cotton napkin on the left. Now you know the drill. There's a serving knife. There's a dinner fork on the left, followed by the salad fork. Dinner knife. Dinner spoon. Man, all I can think of is I want to take you and show you all around. Folks, thanks for coming by for our Vermont Farmhouse fall table. We really appreciate you. You know we appreciate all our friends and subscribers. We want everybody to be safe. You can follow us on Instagram, and you could give us a like, a shout, a subscribe. Send us to a friend and share. Turn them on to the fun we have, all of us here, and our collabs, our friends, and everybody around. Our family of decorators. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon, and we'll see you in the next video.